Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all know I am a pixie girly now, but I've been working out a lot and I've been sweating out my natural hairstyle quite often. It's also starting to warm up here in Texas, so I need to come up with another solution so I can kind of look put together on my off days. And y'all know I struggle with wigs in general, so I've been on the hunt for a glueless unit. So of course, when Alipearl reached out to me, I asked them to send me over their best glueless unit. So here's what comes in the box, a lot of goodies. We also got a edge scarf, and we've got a meltdown band and a bag to store the unit in. It also came with these glue tapes, which I don't think I'll be using. Now for the star of the show, this is their glueless ready to go curly wig. The unit I have is an 18-inch with a 4x7 lace closure. The knots are already bleached and the hairline is plucked to perfection. Not to mention the lace is already pre-cut, so it is ready to go straight out of the box. Cap is very thick, well constructed. It comes with this elastic band with the ridges in it to keep it from slipping, and your standard 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. This one did not come with an adjustable strap on the actual wig cap, so you may have to rely on the wig band. Here's another look at the lace up close. It is 4x7 closure, so it's only 4 inches going back in the middle part section. Now y'all know I've never been a middle part girly, but with this haircut I may have to do it more often. So for just try on purposes, I'm just gonna clip my hair out the way and put the wig on. And not gonna lie, because I don't wear a middle part, I really struggled trying to get this thing aligned. But look at that lace, y'all. This is fresh out of the pack. I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't put any tint on it, none of that. Look at how it is melting into my skin. Off bat, the first thing I noticed is that this hair does not have a smell. There's no chemical smell to it. The hair is super soft, very dense, very full. Again, this is the hair straight out of the box. Another close-up look of the lace. Nothing has been done to it. But before I get ready to wear her out, I'm going to go ahead and wash her and style her to my liking. Here is the unit freshly washed. I just washed and conditioned it, left a little bit of the conditioner in there, and then detangled all of the hair from root to tip. And then I'm going to leave her under my hooded dryer for about an hour to dry. As you can see, the hair is super shiny, the bounce is absolutely beautiful, and the density is just on point. Now that she's all dry and we are ready to go, I'm going to shape her up a little bit. I like a little bit more shape with my curly cuts, and I've actually gotten really good at curly cuts, especially with all the curly crochets we do at the shop. But if you're not good with that type of thing, you can always contact a professional and have them cut it for you. I also went ahead and cut a little bit of baby hair in the front to frame that side out and to kind of conceal the lace, because I have not melted it down or anything. I just tightened the band and this is what it looks like. Now that I've got a little bit of face framing in the front, I'm going to shape up the back and kind of round out the shape. And really all I do is just cut a little bit at a time until I get to the desired shape that I want. Also, I want to note that I didn't put any products in the hair. That's why it still looks a little fluffy and a little bit on the drier side. I only put that little bit of conditioner in there before I dried it. So there is no product in this hair right now. But I am going to activate the curls again by spritzing a little water on them. And as you can see, the hair just curls up beautifully. This is what it looks like activated on this side. And then I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. Again, this is just water alone. I didn't put any products in this hair. Now, even though I had my head measured for the cap size, it was still a bit large on me. I'm sure if I had more hair to fit back there, it would have fit perfectly. So I am going to melt down a tiny bit there at the top so that my hair doesn't move around throughout the day. All product details for this unit will be listed in the description box below, including an additional 15% off code, which you can use at checkout. And here is the final look. Y'all know I struggle with wig installs, and this was probably the most stress-free experience I've had thus far. So I can honestly say this unit is ready to wear. Not only is it easy to install, but it looks incredibly natural. So that completes today's video. As always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before you head on out. Special thanks to Alipearl for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the product details in the description box below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out, and thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.